Oh, you really had to do it, man. You had to embarrass everybody here with your Supra.
You gotta be different, man. You gotta stand out in the crowd. You know what's funny? This has 650 horsepower, which means, as far as I know, it's gonna keep up, if not beat, a bunch of these cars, which would be very embarrassing if you spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on a supercar.
And we're doing a rally today.
Yeah, we're gonna do a
We're
rally.
doing the 100 Octane Club rally here in San Jose. You're here to embarrass people. I'm here to make friends.
This is a 2.5-hour drive today, and it's gonna be crazy. Built this car, got on the road, and drove it. But we had some drama last night.
Hey, whoa, don't cut me off like that.
Sorry, Dave. I'm sorry, Dave. Wheels I had on my car when my car had the blue wheels. Anybody remember that on the Huracan?
I remember that.
Yeah. Well, of course you do. You should.
I should.
Business partner and friend.
Oh, I would just say business partner.
I need a coffee.
I would just say business partner.
Hey, what do you think of this?
I think I'm gonna have a nap.
I think
now.
you need to get out because you guys are gonna fall asleep.
Honestly, you're doing this right now. This is what you need to do.
This thing is massive. That is a proper land yacht right there.
So anyways,
Off, buddy. Anyways, what else?
All right, it's time to go. You ready for this?
rally time. Now, the rules of rally days. There are no rules. AMG GTR, 570S, 720. That's sick. That's a fully modded 458. Okay guys, we are here in the Supra. I'm gonna be piloting this vehicle. We have a 2.5-hour rally.
Performantes, finally.
DD for life!
Hey, brother!
We'll see you out there. All right. Keep in mind, it's like 9:30 in the morning. I feel bad for this neighborhood. Supra for the win! We're gonna challenge all the Ferrari and Lamborghini owners to races. What do we got here? GT2? What up? Look at that thing, eh? You want some of this? What up, boys? His son, huge DD fan. How are you?
Hello Kitty, rolling.
What up? How's your dad doing for driving?
Is he doing good? How am I doing? Am I driving good?
Yeah, that's the right answer.
Navigator.
Everything's so good.
Yeah, don't get us lost. We're following you.
Right, that's right. We won't, promise.
Oh, this car just shoots fire. Look at this.
Rev it!
All right, little rally update. 5 minutes in. Dave's already lost. No surprise there. I'm following Albert from the NorCal PFS location in the GT2 RS. Albert knows the entire route, so I'm gonna keep following him. Dave, you're gone. I don't even know where you are, but I hope you find us. So far, a lot of fun. Everyone's behaving themselves for the most part, but I know that a little further up, we're gonna get off this main freeway and into some back roads. I've been told that the cops on weekends like to kind of hide out there and wait for people, so that usually means a ticket or something. Look at, you know someone's calling me right now because they're lost.
All right, so 5 minutes into the rally, we're following Ryan from PFS, and well, we're lost. That's us right there, and right there at the bottom, that's the rest of the rally. So we need to find them and get caught up.
But don't worry, we have this.
Yeah, we got a paper map.
We got this.
Why is there a hole in it?
Right.
Explain yourself. It was a lonely night. Did you get us lost?
She did.
Oh!
How did they get lost?
He went straight down 101. He didn't follow all of us.
John's
so.
lost.
John's
Ryan's lost.
Dave's
Dave-
with them.
Dave's
so
lost. Now
Dave's
here-
just playing follow the leader.
Dave! No co-pilot, not lost.
No.
All those people have co-pilots, lost. What do you think of that? Ride height. How many fingers can you get?
We got four.
Four?
It's straight.
Look at these wheels already. How'd I let the Stradman influence me into white wheels?
Hello.
What happened to you?
I followed Ryan.
You have a co-pilot and everything. Do you have a folded up map? I can't see, I
How
can't.
did that happen there, Andrew? I have no idea what's happening here.
Got some pretty good twisties now, guys. But you know what? We've lost Dave yet again. I don't know what's up with Dave, but he can't keep up with the group. guys are gonna want to see this. Look at this view. Of course, Dave's missing the view because Dave, you got lost again. The Supra is keeping up, by the way, with all the supercars. In fact, overtaking a lot of them. I'm actually blown away. Kind of trying to clickbait this a little bit by saying embarrassing supercar owners with a Supra, but the reality is it's kind of actually embarrassing that you can buy a car for what, $57,000? Get a downpipe, a tune, a bigger turbo. It's got 650 horsepower and it keeps up. This stock is a 570 with 570 horsepower. This car's tuned and all done up because it's Ryan's car. But think about this, bro. How much is this car?
I don't even want to compare it to that because that thing was on my butt the whole time.
Fast, right?
Fast as hell.
We titled this video Embarrassing Supercar Owners by showing up with a wide body, upgraded turbo
I said
Supra.
Damon is never going to keep up with me. All I did was see his headlights about that far from me.
And I passed you.
I know you did.
Has anyone seen Dave? Dave? Dave?
Some of the car's got issues.
Dave, no, car's fine.
Oh,
it's the
good.
driver, bro. He's got a co-pilot and everything, and they're not here.
All right, for real, what it's like to have Andrew Yuri as a co-pilot, I'll show you. Well, number one, you get lost twice now. Literally, we're by ourselves here in the middle of nowhere because the whole group's somewhere else. We have a bottle of Fiji water. We have mouthwash. We have deodorant. Then we have some random $100 bills. Andrew Yuri. Cue to Damon talking right now about me getting lost.
Who gets out at a, hey, let's meet up and then go, gets out of their car, doesn't tell anybody, and goes to a restroom to pee? When there was a bush in front of us.
Like 2 highways going up, he was on the wrong one.
You'll get to know that there's no reason why Dave does what he does. What happened? Where is he?
He turned right. He went north.
No, we're down. No, you're supposed to drive out and turn left. He went up. I gotta call him right now. Whoa! This car shoots like a 4-foot plane. Oh, listen to this thing. Something happened. I think the pipe came off. I'm not even kidding you guys. I think it just straight piped itself. It's so loud. Something happened when I floored it. Something popped off and now it's like straight piped. Dude, something happened to my car. All I hear is exhaust right here. Ah! Something happened. There it is. Can you guys see this? Look at this. Do you see where the exhaust is hanging off? Right there? A pipe not attached anymore to my car. Look under the car, the pipe came off. Look at. Holy sh**. I've got no exhaust whatsoever. Dude, it's so loud. Don't think. At least it's nothing bad. Like it's just really loud.
Yeah, I smelled it.
I know, I can smell it too because now it's not exiting out the back. Listen to it when I put it in drive. What the heck? Sounds crazy. Straight piped. Guys, listen to this thing. Wow, listen to the downshifts. What? What?
Rivet!
I shifted and it just went from this, like quiet to like. Dude, it blew right off.
Oh man.
Broke the Supra.
Already?
I haven't even driven this since it's been built.
It sounds really good.
What is this?
It's gone, dude.
You guys, there a muffler shop anywhere out here?
Hello!
Hello?
We need new muffler bearings! My friend's really hungry! He hasn't eaten in 20 minutes!
I was freaking out. I honestly thought I ruined the car at first. I was like, we blew something.
Rev it!
Yari's gonna get in. I'm gonna do a burnout.
Oh yeah!
What do you think?
Oh, motorcycle gang. Be cool. Sons of Anarchy. Be cool.
Alright, here's the reality, you guys.
after
Damon broke the
5,000.
Supra, now it's up to Yari to fix it. Yari, make some calls.
Listen to this thing. Oh! We're having fun, aren't we? Listen to this thing. Whoa! Oh! Pop, 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 pop. Oh, this looks like a hairy corner. Holy crap! Look at the downward spiral. I think we scrape all the way down. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yep. Is this it?
This is it.
Stupid loud.
This is the NorCal PFS. This location they have for a little while. They share it with Audi. So right there, PFS in the background, they wrap cars up here. Thanks to Albert, we're gonna get the car fixed.
Any of you guys betting men?
How much you wanna bet that car is missing a part we're gonna need to put it back together?
Yes.
Yes?
I'll say yes.
What do you think? Missing a part? You think it's all there?
No.
No. Not a chance.
Come on, bro. Now we hope that it actually makes it up onto the lift.
Oh! Perfect. It honestly couldn't have been any more perfect.
It worked.
Like, just made it. Oh, it's on the rack. How bad is it?
I don't know. It can't be fixed.
Oh, what happened?
Sounds terribly expensive.
Oh.
I think it's totaled.
It's totaled?
Yeah, it's done.
Ah!
All right, guys, stay tuned to the next episode.
So what you're saying, you said you can fix it with a 10 mil?
What?
That's it.
Dude, tell me there's more to this than that. That's it? Dude, it's so bad. Don't go look.
Yeah, get out.
Dude, you have a sensitive stomach. This is actually no joke. This is probably the one thing I could fix. Look at how big that wing is.
You like big booties?
Oh, yeah.
I got a cease and desist from Boeing. Said they want their wing back. Ba-dum-bum. You're on fire. Oh, that'd be so bad.
I hit my hand.
I was driving in sport that whole time, being a complete like you.
With the, yeah.
Yeah.
We were together.
We're assholes together.
Yes, that's right.
We're asshole buddies.
That's right.
Hold on, that doesn't sound right.
Hold on.
Buddy.
Thank you for saving the day with the car.
Anytime. That's what we do.
I'm glad it was an easy fix.
Yeah.
And you cleaned it up. It looks pretty again.
A little bit.
I think. McLaren owners.
McLaren owners.
See you later.
We'll see you later.
Thank you.
Have fun. Get some sleep.
PFS to the rescue, NorCal edition. All right, let's roll. Jet barely made it to the gas station.
Now let's fuel up.
I am
So exhausted because we've only had 2.5 hours sleep. That's one thing about the Supra. It's really comfortable. Like way more comfortable than a Lamborghini. Oh, I get sleep right now.
Good morning.
Come on. Ready?
Well, it smells like sex in here. All right, today was pretty crazy, you guys. But why do I have 2 cameras? I don't know. If you want something even more crazy, check out the donuts Damon did in Alex Troy's garage on a pole. That's right, you guys. Click this little thing right here. Go watch this video. It's epic.